Why do 70% of skincare enthusiasts swear by vitamin C serums? Vitamin C is a skincare superstar that comes in all shapes and forms. When applied topically, think moisturizers, serums or toners, it works wonders by reducing melanin synthesis. Translation? It lowers pigmentation, making your skin look brighter and more radiant over time. Plus, it boosts collagen growth and increases hydration. But what about taking vitamin C orally? While popping those vitamin C tablets won't give you instant glowing skin, it does have its perks. Oral vitamin C strengthens connective tissues like bones and joints and supports the formation of new skin cells. So, if you're aiming for that radiant glow, topical vitamin C is your go-to. But don't toss out those oranges just yet. Eating vitamin C still has its own skin-boosting benefits. Hope this clears things up. For a brighter complexion, slap it on your skin. Topically, of course. Stay glowing, skincare enthusiasts.